Hello my people, and welcome to this channel. Truly they talk and say God they work in wonders. This story will carry comment now about one visually impaired man. That is, this man no dey see you, he dey blind. But as it's big, this man no decide say he won't go turn beggar. This man don't decide to start a career for himself. Oga con decide say him go turn to teacher, and as he big, this man they teach students. Students will be say them they even see you. Him where they blind now him con they teach them. My people who never watch this one, they can follow me watch.
What is pre-employer election?
I finished NCE almost 4 years ago, but yet I couldn't get a job. But there is one school I am attending. It's a community school called Hababu Maria Sunus Dantata, where I have been teaching English language and government, and all my students are sighted people, and they are happy that yes, I am their teacher and I am teaching them to the best of my ability. My name is Dahuru Abdulhamid Idris, and I was born in the year 1993 in Kano State. I was born naturally a blind person, that is visual impaired, and I did primary, junior and senior secondary school all at Special Education School Maliki, Kano State. Then I moved to Kano College of Islamic and Legal Studies, where I obtained NCE certificate in English Political Science, and I was now given a scholarship to study BSc Political Science by Professor Abdulhamid at National Open University of Nigeria. So immediately after I finished that boarding school, I joined Kano College of Islamic and Legal Studies to study English. So we all know that begging is not wanted, even Islamically. Especially, so this is why my mother has been doing her best to see that I am educated and I become self-reliant. There is one proverb which says life is not bed of roses. But actually, when the time, I don't know what I feel. I feel like it is a dream, because imagine how I looked like. I'm a blind and I'm from forest family. The fact that this person purchased me a brand new house, I feel happy. Not only I myself, all my family, my loved ones, my people, even the journalists who helped or who go through the interview, we are all happy and we are all glad for doing that. And my happiness will never be overemphasized. The best way for me to be assisted is to get job. Through that getting job, other people like me who are in begging situation or in a begging condition will say, okay, this person do so education and now he is self-reliant. So why can we turn our eyes to go to his line? But if I am not provided with that job, so I will be staying like them. Maybe they will be happier than I, because they are begging, they are getting money. But I have students, I have many students, I have many people who know my face, so I cannot go and beg beside the road, because a lot of people know me. I have my lecturers, I have my students, I have a lot of people who know me. So I still call on the federal government and state government to please help me to get a job, permanent and functionable job.
Wow! In fact, I dey more than impressed. Say person with disability still even get the mindset. Say he wants still further in education, he won't go to become somebody in life. Ain't no reason as okay, make him just go stand for main road or go dey beg. So tell this guy carry book seriously, so they even carry and give him scholarship. For you to show say this person, he get better mind, he get better sense. Ain't no reason and say okay, as him no dey okay, make him go find something illegal go dey do. Small struggle, your leg no blood break, your eye no blood, just small challenges will go face you. You don't rush go find person who want to do money. You go down rush say you won't go do something illegal. But see person will be say not in the sick, I know they sick. He still decide say he won't do correct job. Maybe make God kuku do exchange. You will be say they find sharp money, may they make you blind. May they give on your sight, making they see. Maybe by then on a go wise. The reason I say sometimes no be about illegal ways. Sometimes you're supposed to do things freely, do them with a good will. And somehow road go open for you because this guy now, me, I did very, very motivated with the one way you do. It shows say if you get life, in fact, there is hope. With this one way they show me now, it shows say hope there. So I beg, and my people they watch me, you will be say you don't lose hope. I beg. Just trust in God, believe say somehow, things go just work out for your own good. Make you not go the reason say okay, things don't bad, you don't buy, you won't go kill yourself. It not go help you. If you kill yourself, you go just like that. Just hold on, try, do something, say it go motivate you, give you money. Then last, everybody go there okay. Anyways, my people now here, I go end them on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story. Child, one big disaster don't happen inside Lagos. I hear say one building with 21 stories don't collapse, and this one they happen inside Ikoyi. And based on information what I get, in fact, this building still dey under construction. They see the builder, no be say person dey even park inside, go they live inside. Before we go see, we don't know what happen. This is just collapse. It don't even go block road, destroy things, destroy people properties. My people beg, they can follow me watch.
How will they rescue this thing? How? They need to bring in.
See road. See form where they put now. This one are this one are this thing. Okay. See form now.
See form with the pillar. See form.
Hey, yeah, man. Who they do this kind of work? Say, what is cool?
Form with pillar.
Marakapi. Nigeria. Don't you work? Do something you want.
Hey, we chop the money now. Only now the money they go chop.
Now money be their problem.
Hey, all Nigeria problem.
They don't think about woman be like.
All this one way they carry this contract to give now. If you know, if you go meet them, make they ask you for what.
Now, wow, I bet this one really dey serious. I hope say people where they inside this place go there alive. Say nothing go happen to them. But honestly, make we no lie. On I see all those houses now where they build. I don't know be an rush that they use they build them. They no go calm down build house. Within 2 months you go see a person start building. They don't rush finish up. I don't know if now ghost won't come they live inside. We be so now they rush and sharp for. Now see as this one don't happen now. And what did they vex me for this matter now? As this thing destroy, collapse like this. One rescue team no there to go even help these people. A whole 21-story building. I don't talk and government, all these buildings where they build inside Lekki, it be like so on a supposed go the investigator. Because mostly all those places, no land they get. They go just they pour sand, they turn into building. Places where be saying now water they don't turn everywhere to house. Because of say waiting greed, they won't collect money. All these landlords of nowadays, their own and make salary what did they even call them? House rent, they enter their pocket. Now their own problem with that one. No, and I see the rubbish where the thing don't go cost. Me, I just pray say nobody go die because this one way they never talk say person die. And I trust they no go even fear announce until they scatter the whole thing. But me, I just the hope across my fingers say nothing bad like this go happen. But this lucky of a place, me, I don't they talk am. Most of now when they go there and I just they pack to on a debt. Because now there if rain fall, it go there over flooded. If any bad thing won't happen, now that side there. So what if they carry on and they go that place? Make na kuku stay the mainland, make na know say na they safe. Just because of saying big boy, big girl, and I won't pack na self, they go the lekwa, Ikoyi and co on and they see what they happen for them. Anyway, if anything don't happen, we go to here, I'm going to bring the matter come for now. But as it be, now I make a bring and come. Make now stay tuned for our next story.